We're at the library today doing a scavenger hunt. It's pretty popular nowadays. It's not really a scavenger hunt, more so that they paste up photos and you try to find them through the library. And we tried it, and we couldn't find the last one. Just couldn't. They're usually at the ends of shelves, pretty prominently displayed. A lot of them are lower in height, which makes sense because they're actually little kids. This is for kids if you didn't know. And then the question is, what do you do? So it's pretty easy because they have numbers, right? And there's 12 items, and we've had all the numbers except for one. So it's pretty simple to know which number it is. I think number four or whatever it was. But the question is, do you do that? Is that right? My wife didn't think about putting down four just to finish it. I thought about it. We didn't end up doing it. I challenged her to find it. She couldn't. And she said, "You find it." And I said, "Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to find it." And I did. It was actually in the middle of a shelf. And she was thinking that, no, maybe the other kids didn't find it. Because she didn't see any other kids going into the shelves. It's all outside, right? For all the other numbers. But I guess the thing is, regardless, what do you do? Is there a moral to this story? I would say yes, there is a moral. And I don't know how much my daughter learns, but obviously, she's learning. And a lot of times kids pick up on stuff even if you don't think they do. Because she actually looked at everyone. As in, if we find it, we'll show her. And then she'll tell us. She can't really write. She's only two. So I showed her that, put it down, and we went to claim the prize. But I think there is a moral. One is, even though it seems like it's not a big deal, for little kids this is a big deal. You should do what's right. And the second thing is, if an adult gives up, what chance does a kid have to learn to not give up and to keep working at it, even if you feel like giving up? Right? I know my daughter could tell that we spent a lot of time and effort trying to find the last one. But we did. We almost gave up. But we didn't. And if you think about life and lessons to kids, if you give up on these little silly things, doesn't that just mean you'll give up on more? Let things slide? What kind of adults do you want them to turn out to be anyways?